An 18-wheeler crossed the center line and hit you, and the trucking company's people are already on the phone. Here's what you need to know. A Louisiana truck case is not just a bigger car case. It runs on a whole extra layer of federal rules, the insurance is far larger, and the evidence that proves your case can legally be erased within weeks if nobody moves fast. Treat it as its own animal from day one. Big commercial trucks are governed by federal safety regulations, on top of Louisiana law. That matters because those rules cover almost everything a trucker does. Hours behind the wheel, inspections, maintenance, drug testing, and a violation of one of them is often direct evidence of negligence. So a truck case isn't just proving the driver was careless. It's checking whether the company broke federal rules that exist to keep that truck safe. The money is bigger, and so is the list of who's responsible. Commercial truck insurance minimums run far above a regular driver's, and large carriers often stack primary and excess coverage into the tens of millions. And it's rarely just the driver. The trucking company, the truck's owner, the broker or shipper, a maintenance contractor, even the insurer directly can all be on the hook depending on the facts. Sorting out every responsible party is a big part of the value of a truck case. This is the part that costs people their case. Federal rules actually let trucking companies destroy records on a schedule. The truck's electronic logs, the dashcam footage, the driver's file, inspection reports, even the engine's own crash data, all of it can be gone before a lawsuit even starts. The fix is a preservation letter, sometimes called a spoliation letter, sent to the company within days, demanding they hold everything. Wait too long, and the proof disappears legally, with often no getting it back. So move in the first 72 hours. Find the company's federal DOT number, it's on the truck's door, and look up its safety history. Get the crash report. Photograph the trucks, the scene, the skid marks. Track down witnesses and any nearby cameras, because gas station and business footage often overwrites itself within a week or two. And don't give the carrier's adjuster a recorded statement. On truck cases, they move fast to lock in a low-fault story before you've even seen a doctor. So, a Louisiana truck case is a federal case layered on a state case. The insurance is far larger and the defendants far more numerous. The key evidence can be erased within weeks unless someone demands it be preserved. And the first 72 hours decide how much proof survives. Don't treat it like a fender bender. Everything I mentioned is linked below, including the full written guide with sources. This is new lore for Dudley DeBosier Injury Lawyers.